Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're going to start by signing into the exact Google account you want synced. Once done, open Photos and turn on Backup and Sync. This tells Google to upload new images automatically. Make sure you pick Wi-Fi only if you want to save mobile data, or allow mobile uploads if you need immediate sync. Also plug in or keep battery above 20% so large batches don't stop mid-upload. This gets the sync process started and avoids common interruptions right away. Next, configure what actually gets uploaded. Go to Settings and choose Upload Size. Original uses your storage quota, while High Quality compresses photos but saves space. Then open Library and Device folders to toggle which app folders, screenshots, WhatsApp images, camera should back up. Make sure the account you signed into has enough storage. If not, either free space or switch to a different account. Once folder choices and upload quality are set, Photos will start queuing items for sync based on your network and battery preferences. Finish by confirming your photos reach the cloud. Open Photos on the web and scan the timeline for recent uploads. If items aren't showing, pull down in the mobile app to force a refresh or toggle backup and sync off and back on. That often restarts the queue. If problems persist, clear the app cache, update Google Photos and Google Play services, then sign out and back in. These steps resolve most sync failures. If uploads still fail, check network restrictions or storage limits as the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.